Hey, hi, I'm Denise Bean, and this is Kate, and we are with the Iowa Library for the Blind and Print Disabled. We are doing Summer Reading Program 2026. So exciting! So let me tell you real fast, we found something that actually we're very proud of doing and very excited because it is accessible all the way through. And that is, I'm just going to show you, it's our 3D Dino Balance Challenge. This is all about balance. I would recommend a programming sheet that would tell you what order to go into for something like this. It works with one-on-one. It works great in groups. And this is all about science, asking questions, making hypotheses. But the best part of it is it's easy to do and it's a lot of fun. We had great engagement with this and everyone made one different than the other. That's the unique part of that. I'm going to go ahead and cast this over to Kate, and she's going to kind of walk you through the materials and kind of some thought process that goes into creating this amazing 3D dino. Kate,
Yes.
Take it away.
Thanks, Denise. Yeah, so the materials we have for this project are quite simple, but allow for a lot of imagination, which is super fun. So we have some jumbo craft sticks, so about the biggest size you could probably find at the craft store. We have 4 full-size ones, as well as a 5th one that has been split in half for the sake of the arms of our dinosaur. However, you can also, instead of splitting one in half, you can also use smaller craft stick sizes or another material that you have on hand, as we have here. We have a smaller one. So there we go. And then to stick everything together, we use Crayola Model Magic. So this is air dry clay that doesn't need any heat or anything to get it to dry. However, that also means it takes a while to dry. But that also allows a lot of time to mold and reshape if you need to, making all sorts of different things.
And these are 1 ounce bags apiece. Perfect.
Yes. So it's pretty great. So to get started, we'll use our model here. We have to start at the base. So we formed some feet, you could call them, or just sturdy shapes of the Model Magic in order to stick 2 of these bigger jumbo sticks into. And that makes the legs and the feet. And then we moved on to the body, about a egg-sized shape for the midsection that allowed space for both the neck to come out the top and the tail to come out the bottom, as well as the 2 arms in the side. When we were doing this activity with our kids during programming, it was pretty interesting how well they were able to problem solve as we were all learning at the same time, seeing what works. That's the fun part about STEM. It can kind of be a game, especially with this exercise. And they figured out that for a lot of the limbs, so the tail, the neck, and the arms, it works best if you form the clay around the craft stick, and that helps it stick together rather than, fall out the side while the clay is still wet and moldable. So that worked really well. And then at the top of the neck, we just had a little head with a little face. It's about a rectangle size, but
I have to laugh because Kate put she just made the head a lot bigger.
I did.
It was like topsy-turvy.
Yes, and the kids were like, no, you can't do it like that. We're like, you're right.
They're too critical, but
Trial and error. It was great. It was a learning experience for all of us.
It was
super fun.
The more mistakes we made and it tipping over was actually kind of a blast.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a great exercise in balance. It's very accessible because it's all tactile. You can form things the way you like it. And so many dinosaur species to work with. So I did probably more of the tall herbivore type, but you can really make any kind that you'd like with these supplies. So.
Yeah, and even talking about the legs too, because hers are forward going, like they're walking forward like this. We talked about that for a little bit of time too. And just how many sticks do make it balanced? Is it odd or even numbered? But there's a lot to learn from this activity. And you know what? If you guys want to learn more about this, please go to the iowalibrary.blog and go to Youth Programs and then click on the 2026 Summer Reading Program, and you will find our videos there that we have done over the summer. Check it out. You can make this your own, but I do recommend a programming sheet to align along with this activity. You'll find it to be very helpful. So are you excited to make the next one?
Oh, yeah.
All right, so
Very
stay
excited.
tuned to more just like these.